Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. On Friday, the 12th of December, FX Pimp recording for duty. How about that? Pimpalicious play of the day. Just a quick synopsis, if I may, of yesterday's action. Great to be back, great to be firing on all four cylinders. We looked at playing this break here, then wait for the retracement and then build that position, play it down. I managed to take 300 points out of that, which was quite nice. I know a couple of the others did as well. Played it down to here. Some of you just let it run. You would have been actually screaming at yourself now if you let it run, because it's actually retraced quite a lot. With, I would say, with Dow Jones falling off, you can't tell this correlation thing these days. It's just changing every day. So nice one there. We spoke also about pound dollar. This area here, I spoke about it. Whether some of you just decided to, yeah, it looks good to me, let's hit it here. You know, great if you did. I did specifically say, again, wait for that break. It will tire, it will retrace. The CCI trigger will come back, and then you can hit that there. So there's a nice little 150 points for anyone that took it from there, or 200 points for anyone that played it on the breakout of that little line there. So nice one there. The one I was actually swaying towards was the Kiwi Swiss, which did start to move very, very slowly, but then spiked up just with that Swissy weakness coming in against the dollar yesterday. Euro was on fire, euro dollar was on fire. That was seeing dollar Swiss collapse. So a lot of Swissy weakness yesterday afternoon in that department, which just saw this just pop up 50, 60, 70 pips to stop us out. We actually got stopped out for 42, I think. It did go up to about 80 or 90 if anyone had held that. Do you remember last week or the week before when I first started? Slightly longer term traders, keep your stop loss behind the R1 or the S1 if you're going north. Excuse me. Look where it is now. So you just can't get it right every single time. See how powerful these breakouts are though. Trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 supports. Eventually when it does go, bam. Thank you very much. Anyway, something's happening in the night. I don't know what. I was snoring my head off, but it was just to take a look at Wall Street. Look, that's a Wall Street hourly chart. It's gone from 88 to 82. It's gone 600 points. I would imagine that dollar yen's gone bananas as well. Oops. Oh look. Oh dear, dollar yen. So that's going to have screwed any of the longer term traders on those yen pairs. Fortunately, we closed our euro yen from Tuesday, I think it was. Might have even been from Wednesday, tell a lie. Our Wednesday's euro yen, we managed to close at that target yesterday with our 200 points of profit. And I'm actually, gotta tell you, for once in my life, I'm glad about something. Look at that. This is where we entered. This is where we got out. This is where it went to, and then bam, it's just holy cattle fodder. It's gone from 117 to 122 in a straight line. What's all that about? Something's happening. I don't know what it is, but just very quickly on to today. I did have something for you, and I've waffled so much I've forgotten what it was. No, I'll tell you what it was. It was sterling Swiss. If sterling Swiss breaks this area here, okay, this is the let's have a look. We was looking at it yesterday trying to get it, and it just wouldn't go. It was starting to go. But if it does go, and it's looking likely, if that does go, that area, I'll be building a position same as before, then a little 1, 2, 3, and look to top it up there. So I'll go in small on the break of this area. Okay, previous low of this candle is I don't know. Let's just say the break of one. Excuse me. This low here. I'll have some of that. Oh dear. Come on, Zach, you're in a bit of a rush this morning, chap. Bit behind schedule. Right, so this area here is this area here is here we go, 176.67. So a break of 176.65, and I'm into this one. Then I'm going to wait for it, maybe on a 15-minute chart to retrace, and then hit it again. I think if this is going to go on an hourly chart, it's going to go something like this, quite possible. My stop loss, when I say 176.65, it's got to be nearly 200 points. So not one for the faint-hearted, most definitely. But I've got a few to spare this week, so I think if you go in with a quarter stake, you know, and it doesn't go, you lose 50 pips at your regular stake. You know, it's well worth a little go in light of these yen pairs. I should imagine this does to a certain extent follow sterling yen. Okay, sterling yen, let's just pick that up. I just wish it would fall through like that. Okay, this is what we're looking for to happen on our sterling Swiss. Hasn't materialised yet, and I have to ask myself why. Let's have a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar's holding steady, so dollar Swiss would naturally be holding steady as well. Yes, dollar Swiss is falling, so there's a little bit of Swiss strength. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to find excuses why not to trade. It's Friday. Like to have a little go. That level goes previous low, then I'm going to take that, and I don't care about 200 points if it, you know, it doesn't materialise. So be it. 4-hour CCI is down, 21 CCI is down my 60-minute, and the trigger's just coming in. So that goes. I'm in. Have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow for a little roundup. No, I won't, because it's not really worth doing a roundup with 3 trades. I'll try and get some more bits and pieces on later on if I can. No promises, but I'll try. Okay, have a great morning, have a great afternoon, have a great evening. I'll speak to you soon. Over and out.